Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to unbox my Sephora Play Box. It is March 2019 and I actually got it pretty early this month. I'm taping this on the 14th and I usually get this box way later than that. I'm not showing it to you now because I managed to have labels on both sides with my address. So I've opened it just so that I can slide the top off. There we go. And show you the inside. Ta-da! So Sephora Play is a monthly subscription that you can do right through the Sephora website. It's $10 a month and generally you get 5 sample sizes. And they're usually prestige samples, but they can be kind of small. So it's just a matter of what you're after if this is for you. But this month it is Beauty in Bloom. Look how pretty. I am so ready. Us East Coasters today are having a gorgeous day out there. So I'm so ready for spring now. But it is, as usual, you get your 50 extra Beauty Insider points if you use this. You can use it in-store or online, but like I say every month, if you use it online, this is the only promotion you can use. So if you have something for free makeup, or they won't let you use both yet. Doesn't seem fair. Okay, let's see what this says. Step into spring with tips and tricks that are perfect for this season's budding beauty. And it tells you how to spring clean your skin and master second day hair. I would like to know how to master second day hair. I just can't do it. And the back side shows us what's in there, which luckily I have bad enough eyes that I can't see into that screen because I have absolutely no idea what's in this box this month. I've seen no spoilers. I didn't even know it had shipped already. I never got a shipping announcement. So this is all a complete surprise to me. And if we get into our box, we see we have the Sephora bag and all of our goodies are in here. So let's just get in here and see what we've got. I'm gonna reach in and the first thing I'm coming out with is the perfume sample, which is by Replica. I have to get my glasses. I have actually tried a couple of replicas that I have really liked. This one is By the Fireplace. Burning Wood and Chestnut. Interesting time of year to decide to send this one, but, and I'm opening it wrong clearly. It is pretty. The actual bottle is pretty. It's by Maison. We all know how I do with the French. Maison Margiela. Let's see what it smells like. It says that By the Fire. Oh, I ripped what it says. It says that By the Fire has notes of fire and grilled cheese. I couldn't make that up if I tried. The enveloping sensation of a fire in the midst of a winter morning. All right. I don't think I'm going to spray it on here because I'm not sure I want to smell like this for the rest of my day. Oh, good instincts. Yeah, actually, I'll tuck this away. Come winter, they're right. It might be it's a heavier, muskier, like they've said. It doesn't smell like fireplace, but it's got that back note. I wish they gave you the notes here, but it surely doesn't. It's very nice though. It's described as male and female. I may try and get my husband to try this because it does seem like something he would like more than me. So that's kind of interesting. I used to hate when I got perfume samples because I'd be like, oh. But now there are so many new scents out there that I'm actually kind of happy when I get them and get a chance to try them. Okay, let's get in the bag and see what's next. Oh, we have the Makeup Forever Ultra HD, which is actually the very foundation that I use. This is color, wow, R230, which is actually the color that I use. I'm telling you, you get all these boxes and you beg for things to be colors that suit you. And I got my exact foundation in my exact foundation color. That's a heck of an irony because Sephora doesn't know that. But I'll show you guys. It's kind of liquidy, but see how perfect it is on me? It's like they knew. And it's just a perfect little foundation. I love it a lot. This is the R230. Yep, it's perfect for my skin. I think I'll try this. The beauty is, this is a cute little pump, and it's going to have several days in there, so this will be perfect for travel. So yay, I'll tuck that away. All right, let's see what's next in the bag. I feel something big. I'm going to get it out of my way. It is Sephora Lashcraft Big Volume Mascara. So it's actually a Sephora brand mascara. We get a lot of mascara in the boxes in this and Ipsy and everybody, and I enjoy them. I'm actually trying 2 right now that I thought I would do a comparison on. But this is the first time I've ever tried a Sephora mascara. Lashcraft Big Volume. It says it instantly amps up lashes for big volume. Saturated black pigments plus polymers make lashes appear thicker and bolder. Nourishing jojoba seed oil helps prevent clumping and flaking. All right, I'm not going to take this out because I have so many mascaras in action that once you take it out, they say you have to start the 3-month time frame. And I'm not ready to do that. You know what? I haven't referred to this once. Let's see if it says anything we haven't talked about. It says that my foundation is a lightweight medium coverage foundation that hydrates skin for an even complexion. I have found that to be true. It says that mascara that we just saw is a full volume mascara that coats lashes in a saturated black shade. 2 thumbs up. Oh, it says that the fragrance that we got by Replica, by the Fireplace, is this month's bonus. And it says it's a bottled version of a cozy toasty night in by the fire with warm and sweet gourmand notes. It does kind of smell foodie, fiery, like toasted marshmallows maybe, but not that sweet. So anyway, that's what that had to say about all those things. Let's reach into the bag and see what's next. I don't know, oh, it's Dr. Jart. Cicapair Derma Green Solution. Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. Interesting. Oh, and it's a green. I don't think we filled out anything on Sephora so that they know our coloring, but you guys know I tend to be so red that if I do color correcting, it's green. It smells medicinal. I should put the lid back on so you can see it. And that's it on the inside. Very green. Let's see if I got... It's just green, and when you lay that over red, it's supposedly, it's very creamy. Oh my goodness. That I would need like 1/8 of what I just put on for my face, I suspect. But it smells very herbally, medicinally. Let's see what our nice flyer says. It says, the grass is always greener. Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment has an SPF of 30, an all-in-one treatment that tones down redness and helps protect skin from environmental stressors. So that, again, is perfect for me. Let's reach into the bag and see what else in here is going to be perfect for me. I got an Amika Perk Up. I don't know if you've been watching my unboxings, but if you do, you know that this is like the 3rd one of these that I have unboxed in, if not this month, the last 2 months. It seems to be in every bag and box that I get. I don't hate it. It's dry shampoo. I struggle with day 2. Probably use it more because with summer coming, I pull my hair up in a ponytail. And this gives my hair is so fine that it actually gives me a little grit to it. So sometimes even on a day 1, I will use a dry shampoo just so that when I pull my hair up, it doesn't slip right out of whatever I've pulled it up in. Let's see what the pamphlet says. An oil-absorbing spray that instantly refreshes the hair and adds volume. And it's that volume that I'm after. All right, let's see what's last in the bag. Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40 Water and Sweat Resistant for 40 minutes. Can always use a SPF 40 because some of the foundations that I choose, I don't know if doesn't talk about having an SPF in it. So an added SPF is always a great idea, especially as we head into hangout outside season. An invisible, weightless, scentless sunscreen that provides broad spectrum SPF 40 protection. So that's perfect. All right, so that is the entirety of my bag. That was a really good one from Sephora Play for me. I mean, they really knocked it out of the park where I'm concerned. An SPF, my actual foundation that I use, a Perk Up dry shampoo that I can use for volume, the Dr. Jart for redness, which I have redness, and the Sephora lashes. And new lashes are always fun to try. So this was a great, oh, and don't forget, we've got our Fireplace perfume. Let's see what that dried down like. Yeah, this definitely smells more like my husband than me, but he'll be trying it. He doesn't even know it yet. So thanks for coming by, guys. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I do more unboxings. And I appreciate you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye.